Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. Are you also looking for an app that can upscale your low quality images into high quality images? So you have got the right place. In this video I will tell you about the websites that you can use for upscaling your images. So here the first website is called I Love Image. You can go and you can upload your photos from your gallery. Now they are processing your image and you can see here the before and after results. You can see that how this app has turned the low quality image into a high quality image. Next we have here Pixel Cult. Here you can also go and you can upload your image and you can upscale. Moreover, this app offers background remover, magic eraser and image upscaler. For this video I will just cover the image upscaler. Just you have to go and you have to click on upscale image. Now just you have to go and you have to upload here the media. Here I have selected this image. Now just you have to go and you have to upload. And that's it. Here you can see the before and after results clearly. You can see that how this app has turned your low quality image into a high quality image. That's how this app works. Now let's move to the next app. Here we have next app called Upscaler. You can use this app for enhancing your image. Here you can go and you can do unblur, photo colorization, image enlargement, background remover and many more things. Here for this video I will just cover the upscaler. I will just go and will click on upscale image. Now here you have to go and you have to upload your desired image. Now here you have to select the input image type and the upscaling factor. Here you have general and you have this anime and cartoon option. For upscaling here you have 2x and 4x. I suggest you going with the 4x here, and after doing all these things just go and click on create. Here you can see the before and after results. Here you can see that how this app has turned your low quality image into a high quality image. So now let's go and try one more image. Here again you have to select the desired things, like here you have to select the image input and then the upscaling factor. After that you can go and you can upload your image for upscaling. And here we go. You can see here the before and after results clearly. Here you can see that how well this upscaler has worked. And that was basically all about how you can upscale your low quality image into a high quality image. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.